Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Randy Doyle, and I'm running for Dodge County Circuit Court Judge, Branch 2. I'm 46 years old. I've been married for almost 20 years. I have 4 children. I have 16 years of practice here in the state of Wisconsin. The first year of practice, well, the first year plus, was as a prosecutor in the Waukesha County District Attorney's Office. But more recently, or currently, I've run my own practice here in the Beaver Dam area for a little over 10 years now. I've been an active member of the Dodge County community since day one, since my arrival. A lot of people know me. For 6 years now, I've had a show on WXRO radio called Law and Doyle, where I take phone calls from citizens in the area, answer their questions, and help them out free of charge. I've been coaching the Beaver Dam High School mock trial team for the last 2 years, and I'm happy to say that yesterday, for the first time in more than a decade, we qualified for state. We didn't win by 1 vote. It was very, very close, very exciting, but we did come in second to Lodi, but our score did allow us to qualify for state. I've also worked at length for more than a decade with PAVE, People Against a Violent Environment of Dodge County, helping citizens and their children escape violent and abusive situations. Recently, I was humbled to be named PAVE's Person of the Year for 2015. Funny story about that. I got the letter in the mail, and as soon as I got it, I immediately called up to my contact at PAVE and said, surely you can find somebody else for this award. Because I'm not doing it for recognition. I'm not doing it for awards. I'm doing it because it's the right thing. Ashley then informed me that she knew where I lived. And I was going to be there to accept that award, whether I liked it or not. I chose to go voluntarily. I've been involved in several other organizations in the community. Among those, I was involved with Habitat for Humanity of Dodge County, where I served both as vice president and president. I've been involved with youth baseball in the area, and I've been a coach for 4 years, 3 years as a head coach. I'm excited to announce that I will continue that, as I've been invited to coach with the American Legion program this coming summer, and I'm looking forward to that. I think we should talk about a few numbers here. When we look at the numbers between December of 2015 and December of 2016, approximately 75% of the litigated cases in Dodge County were either criminal law or family law. Now, speaking for myself, that has been the vast majority of my practice for the last 15 years, going back to my time as a prosecutor. I've handled cases ranging from, like I said, criminal law, both as a prosecutor and a defense attorney, civil law, both plaintiff and defendant, family cases, and representing husbands, wives. I have handled, I would say, in my time, over 2,000 cases in my 15 years. 1,600 of those can be documented on CCAP. I know the legal ins and outs. I know all the personnel in the Dodge County Courthouse, and I understand the proceedings and the policies of the Dodge County Courthouse. I want to bring that experience and that knowledge to the bench. Now, also looking at CCAP and doing a little research, it seems that my opponent, in almost twice the number of years of practice, has handled just over 200 cases. I have been in a courtroom since day one, and I think if you're going to run an efficient courtroom, you have to have the experience to understand that. Now, the rule of thumb here is to make a good trial attorney. When you take somebody who's never been a trial attorney before, it takes about 5 years for them to become a good trial attorney. I think we can apply that same rule to being a good circuit court judge. If you don't have experience in the circuit court, it's going to take about 5 years. Now think about that. That is $650,000 taxpayer dollars used to train someone who doesn't have trial court experience. However, I feel confident that I could walk in tomorrow into Branch 2 and run that courtroom with nearly the same efficiency as Judge John Stork did, who just retired. I bet there'll be a little bit of a learning curve on the administrative side. I haven't been in the back. But, ladies and gentlemen, it's your money. You have to decide how you want to use it. I think it's important that we elect somebody who is a representative of the community, someone involved in the community, and not necessarily just leave this to someone who is appointed. Again, I am Randy Doyle. I have the experience for this job. I am the right choice. In fact, I am the only fiscally responsible, the only fiscally conservative choice for Dodge County. I'm asking for your support and your vote in April, and I look forward to serving you all further in the future. Thank you.